welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a flourless almond cake that you won't even know that doesn't have flour and that it's gluten-free. It's amazing, like it's moist but not too wet. It has the perfect consistency. Give it a try because you won't regret it. Let's get started. You'll need 4 eggs. I'll start by separating the egg whites from the yolks. Alright, now set the egg whites aside and whisk up the yolks with the sugar until the mixture becomes creamy and of a light yellowish color. Now gradually pour in the milk. It can be either regular or plant-based. Then add in some citrus zest. I went for some orange, but you could totally do some lemons or why not, both. A little bit of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and lastly, the fine almond flour and the cornstarch. Give it a quick whisk until it's nicely incorporated without overdoing it. Now you'll need to clean and dry the whisks well, otherwise the egg whites don't get whipped up nicely. It's time to whisk up the egg whites until they're nice and firm. It takes just a couple of minutes. You'll know that the egg whites are perfectly firm when you can turn the bowl upside down and they'll stay completely put. Once they're ready, slowly and gradually incorporate them in the mixture with the spatula. I do these gentle movements from the bottom to the top, just like this. The whipped egg whites are going to make the cake really fluffy even without any baking powder. The almond cake batter is done, so make sure you use a 7-inch pan so that the cake will be nice and tall just like mine. I previously covered it in some parchment paper and then I pour in the butter. Bake the almond cake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Allow it to cool down and then sprinkle some icing sugar on top. Now it's time to cut a nice slice of it. It's so fluffy and perfectly moist. It's definitely one of my new favorite cakes. I am so satisfied with this almond cake. I love the texture and the taste, and also I love that it's great for people that eat gluten-free, but also for everyone else because it's delicious. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.